What's going on, family? Good morning, and welcome to Discover Flavor. Today, we're making whipped coffee. I'm not even a big coffee drinker like that, but I had this the first time a few years ago, and I must say, it'll convert you. All right, and this is the best way I think we need to make this thing. So let's get started. Simple ingredients. But first, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and drop me a comment. So we're gonna add our 2 tablespoons of coffee, any brand. I add my sugar to taste. I like mine's a little sweet. And we're gonna add our boiled water. You can throw it in a microwave. Simple stuff. All right, but you wanna make sure it's hot so it dissolves. Now, just a little history. This drink is based on an Indian drink known as Finti Hui coffee or beaten coffee, where they will beat the coffee and add milk in. They will whip the mix. They will pour it and they will serve it to you. Well, now this differs because we're adding the whipped coffee on top of the milk. They actually incorporate everything together. So that's one of the major differences. But it's the same premise, same drink. Okay? And it's actually called Dalgona coffee after a Korean snack. So just a little bit of history there, guys. Now let's get back into it. We're gonna keep whipping until we get the consistency that we like. And this is a good morning pick-me-up. So definitely give it a try, family. Definitely give it a try. Like I said, I'm not even a real big coffee drinker, but this changed me. It's changed my life right here. I tried this and started making life decisions. All right, we're almost at the consistency that we like. Doesn't that look beautiful? And using a mixer it's like a cheat sheet. It's so much easier. So much easier. Use your kitchen tools, man. You don't have to whisk your arm off doing the process. All right. It looks nice and creamy. We're gonna get our ice. I'm dropping it all over the place. And here in this measuring cup, I actually have milk as well as creamer. I got some Starbucks creamer. I like adding that Starbucks creamer in there. The caramel macchiato, amazing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pour in a nice amount of that creamer, and we're just gonna spoon in that beautiful whipped coffee. Look at that. This is for my coffee lovers. Even if you don't like coffee, you gotta try this. You have to give it a try. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So right now we're gonna go ahead and mix it up. Give it a nice mix. You gotta pull the milk from the bottom. And when you're drinking this, you gotta tip it all the way up. You gotta tip it all the way up so you can get a little of the milk with the coffee, the whipped coffee. I'm telling you, that thing is this is next level right here, family. This is next level, man. Look at it, it's blending nicely. I'm pulling as I'm mixing it, I'm pulling the actual milk to the top, mixing it with the coffee. And this whipped coffee is super easy to make. Okay, 3 to 4 ingredients. You can add toffee, you can add cocoa powder on top. You can add whatever you want. You can actually make different types of this coffee right here.